Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read a letter to friend inviting him for exhibition. Let's get started. First we will write examination hall, then the name of city and then write the date. Now start the letter. Dear Zahid, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to share some exciting news with you about an exhibition that is taking place in our school. As you know, our school has always been dedicated to fostering creativity and encouraging students to pursue their passions, and this exhibition is a testament to that. The exhibition features artwork and other creative projects that have been created by our fellow students. It is truly inspiring to see the talent and imagination of our classmates. In addition to the artwork, there are also workshops on painting, drawing, and even pottery making, which are a lot of fun and a great way to learn new skills. The exhibition is a great way to showcase the artistic talent of our school community, and I would highly recommend that if you have the chance. Hope to see you there. Your sincerely, XYZ. This was the letter. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.